Hi Angie, this is Jamie. Just wanted to point out that there appears to be a new glitch. Previously, I know I had you work on for me having this tool update so that Sundays would also follow the rules that were put in here. And as far as I understand, I believe that that happened and that is working again. But I do want to show you that there does seem to be another glitch with quick fill. I've noticed it here in the rack rate area. So here's an example. This is Eagle Harbor Inn. If I go to the one bedroom, and I'm just going to look at, let's say, the 24th of this month. When I change it to the 24th, what you can see here is that I've got this 160 rate showing, but for some reason as the occupancy increases, the price is actually going down to 148 and then back up to 154, followed by 157. So this is really not what we were looking to accomplish here. I want to just change this particular Sunday rate for the one bedroom to a 154. So I'm going to hit quick fill. I'm going to go ahead and put in the 24th, specifically just this Sunday. Leave all of these checked, why not? Change the rate, set to value, 154. And you can see that it did fill it in accordingly on all the dates. Very cool. So I'll hit apply. What we can see here is that it actually did not refresh or change the rates, but I'm just going to hit save. And you'll notice when I come back to the one bedroom after hitting save that no changes actually happened there. I'm going to try this from a different way and just see something while I've got your attention captured on my video here. If I just do it from this standpoint, okay, one bedroom, let's go ahead and do that same day, 524, okay, Monday of the week. I'm going to go ahead and just uncheck those to make sure we just have what we want here. Change rate, change by value, 154. And apply. Okay. Let's go ahead and take a look. See what happened. Room type rate. One bedroom. Let's go ahead and change it to the 24th here. Refresh. Click back there. App goes away. Now we're back to the 24th. Great. And that change did not also take place. So that was not a workaround. We are not working on Sundays in general. So if you can help me with that, it would be greatly appreciated. Thank you. Have a good day.